What's up, guys? So I'm gonna do a quick video of my truck and the exhaust setup. Put a new exhaust on it, and figured I'd make a little quick video just showing what I think about it and kind of give you an idea of what it sounds like best I can, and seeing if maybe it's something you like. But I'm gonna show you. Let's see. As you can see right there, all we did was take the stop muffler out and put a Y pipe that goes in the duals over the back axle into 5-inch tips, and the Y pipe is the same size as the stock pipe, for any of you wondering. And the reason I went into the 5-inch tips is it really gives it a nice deep rumble, which I'll crank it up here in a second after I explain a little bit about it. It gave it a real nice, like I said, deep rumble, and it's just something the clapped out thing is just, it's not something that I like. But like I said, that's just my opinion. If you like it, that's your thing. If not, you know, it's just your opinion. But when I got this exhaust done, I told them I want to change it up. I just didn't want to be able to see it. Like you can see right here, it's hidden, it's behind the spare tire, or beside the spare tire, and you can't see it coming out the side. And same out the back. I mean, only way you can see it, you got to get squat all the way down to the ground pretty much. And I just wanted it to be a little different. Change it up. I've never had an exhaust like this, usually out the back or out the side. I just figured I'd change it up, and also with it angled like that, it does make it a little louder as far as bouncing off the ground. And a lot of people are probably going to ask, does it have any drone? Yes, it does have a little bit of drone in the cab, but really not that bad. When I put on these the mud tires, the trail grapplers, it really canceled out any of the drone as far as highway speeds. Around the town, you never have any drone problems, and on the highway, time you get up to 70 miles an hour, those tires are, they're roaring, they're loud, but it is what it is. It's just, you gotta like it. You either love it or you don't. A lot of people don't want the ride comfort or the noise, but that's just the new thing. And also with the exhaust, when I first got the exhaust done, it has the active fuel management, and it is absolutely terrible. I mean, with an exhaust, you'd get down at town 45, it'd go into active fuel management, and it sounds like a helicopter. It's terrible. So what I did, I looked online and I found this. It's the range technology, and all it is you plug it in right here. See, hold on, let me see if I can get a light so y'all can see that a little better. So it just plugs right there. Plug it in, plug and play. Plug it in and go. Doesn't have to load or anything. I love it. Have no problems. I've had it for about 2 months, and shifts there's the same as it did before without it. And V8 all the time. Sounds better. Don't have to worry about it helicoptering. And I'll crank it up real quick. And it didn't put any engine lights, check engine lights or anything on when I done that. So I was happy about that. As you can hear, which the truck is warm. I just got back home. Just a nice deep tone. Not too loud, enough to hear. something that, you know, some people go by and it wakes up your neighbors, but I like it. And I'm gonna put in some little clips after this video showing just cold start compared to stock, and I'm gonna try to do some highway speeds and maybe around town speeds, just trying to show best I can with this GoPro, and just give you an idea, I guess you'd say, of if you'd like it or not. It's hard to show online, and I know I looked for months before I came up with this exhaust. I mean, it's a big commitment. You go cutting off your stock pipe and then get rid of it, which I could have kept, but get rid of it and then no turning back then. Either you like it or you maybe finding stock exhaust up to somebody else's to put back on. But like I said, I'm just gonna put a little clips in after this, and like and subscribe. Thanks.